Mean is defined as the
Dear students, good morning to all of you. Today I will teach you the concept of mean. So before starting the concept, I will tell you the meaning of mean. What is mean? So mean is defined as the sum of items divided by number of items. So what is mean? It is the sum total of items and the number, and we will divide this sum by the total number of items, and it is denoted by x bar. What is the symbol of mean? It's x bar. Okay, so its formula is summation x. Summation means sum over n, where summation is equal to sum of items and n is equal to number of items. Now I have told you the meaning of mean. Now I will tell you how to calculate mean. There are different methods for calculating mean. First is direct method, shortcut method and step deviation method. I will explain these methods one by one. In case of individual series, so individual series is that series where is only one variable, and here the variable is x. For example, this is individual series. So what is individual series? Individual series is that series that have only one variable. Here the variable is x and the value of x are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I have given you the formula. What is the formula of calculating mean? X bar. X bar is summation x over n. So how will you find the mean? You will add all the items. There are 5 items in the series. So what will we do? We will add these items 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and the number of items are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now add up these values. 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 5 15. 15 by 5, you will divide 15 by 5, the answer will be 3. So the value of mean is x. This happens, this formula applies only in case of individual series, and this is the direct method. This is direct method. Now there is also another type of series. There are 3 types of series: individual series, discrete series and continuous series. I will tell you these series one by one. Now next we come to the discrete series. A discrete series is that series where the value of frequency is also given. For example, we have x variable 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Okay, and our frequency is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the value of a direct method formula is summation fx by n. So take into point, when the series is discrete series, the formula will be summation fx. Summation fx means sum of the multiplication of variable x and its frequency, and n. Here n refers to the total of frequency. So what we will do? We will multiply f by x. 10 is to 1, 10. 2 into 20, 40. 3 into 30, 90. 40 into 4, 160. 50 into 5, 250. Okay. Now what will we do? See the formula. In the formula is demanding the summation of fx. So how will you calculate the fx? You will add the items of fx. So add these 0, 5, 14, 20 and 25. And 550. So the total of this series is 550. Now add summation up. This is 3, 3, 6, 6, 4, 10, 10, 5, 15. Okay. Now apply the formula. Put these values into the formula. So here mean will be x is equal to, what is the value of summation of x? 550. 550 by n. So here n refers to total of frequency. Here the total of frequencies, it means n is equal to 15. Now divide. 5 3 is 15, 5 1 is 5 and 0. When you will divide, you will get the answer 36.6. Here the value of mean will be 36.6 and this is the discrete series. Discrete series. Next, I will do the same sum with another method, that is shortcut method. So what is the formula of shortcut method? I am going to tell you. Formula of shortcut method is x bar is equal to a plus summation f dx by n. So here we have to take one more step, that is dx. We have to find the value of dx. So how will you find dx? Dx you will take assume mean. Assume mean, you have to take any value in between the series and you may assume it as assume mean. Here assume mean is you will make the column dx is equal to x minus a. I have taken the assume mean as 30. So what will you do? You will subtract 30 from the each item of x variable. 10 minus 30 is equal to minus 20. 20 minus 30 is equal to minus 10. 30 minus 30 is equal to 0. 40 minus 30 is equal to 10. 50 minus 30 is equal to 20. Now the next step is the formula is demanding the multiplication of f and dx. So our next column will be f dx. F and dx. Now multiply the values of f with dx. 1 into minus 20, minus 20. 2 into minus 20, minus 20. 3 into 0, 0. 4 into 10, 40. And 20 into 5, 100. Okay. Now add up these values. There is minus 40 and here is 140. You will subtract 40 from 140 and you will get the answer 100. And here again the value of n is 15. Now apply the formula. Our formula was x bar is equal to a plus summation f dx by n. Now put these values into this formula. Here a is 30. F dx is 100 and n is 15. So what will you do? You will divide 100 by 15 and you will get 6.6. When you will divide 100 by 15, you will get the value 6.6. Now add up this value. This will become 36.6. Now point out the value we have calculated with the help of direct method is same as that of shortcut method. You can solve this sum by any method, whether it is direct method, whether it is shortcut method, or whether it is step deviation. The answer will be same. Now I think this concept must be clear to you. Now I am proceeding for the step deviation method. The statement is same, but the formula has changed. Up to dx, the formula is same, the method of calculation is also same, but the formula is x bar is equal to a plus summation f d dash x. Note down this point, f d dash x. In the previous sum we were taking only dx, but here we are taking d dash x by n into I. And the one we have to take the I, where I is equal to common difference. Common difference. Okay, here the common difference is 10. So how to calculate this? We have already calculated dx. So how we will calculate d dash x? D dash x is equal to dx by I. So I have taken I as 10. There is a difference of 10 in the series. So divide each item by 10. Dx divided by 10. So here the answer will be minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. Now again the formula is demanding the multiplication of f and dx. Now multiply f by d dash x. Chop. Okay. Now multiply 1 into minus 2, minus 2. 2 into minus 1, minus 2. 3 into 0, 0. 4 into 1, 4. And 5 into 2, 10. Again your answer will be 10 when you will calculate it. Minus 4 and minus 2 and minus 2, 4. And this is 14. Subtract 4 from 14, you will get 10. Now apply this formula. Now put these values into this formula. Here x is, we have taken a as 30, f d dash x is 10, n is 15 and I is 10. So 30 plus 100 over 15. This will be again 30 plus 6.6 is equal to 36.6. So you can observe that we can calculate mean with any of these formula. I have given you 3 formulas: shortcut formulas, direct method and step deviation method, and this is the step deviation method.